16 different communities.
Right.
Yeah, so the Willow is the first one where we entered. The Hazel, yes, please. The Hazel is the second one. And the Mayflower is the third one.
Oh,
so we have 12 other gated communities that are coming up there.
Right. And this will still have to be the route that comes here?
Yes, please.
Where we entered?
Yeah, there are so many. I think there are two routes that can lead you to the Mayflower Court. So take the left turn. So the Mayflower Court has a general council around. Okay, you're going to enter. I'm with them. Okay, you can see me. I'm with them. Me know when now. Okay. I'm here quiet now. Okay, but you're going to fetch you or no?
Okay.
Yeah. You're not yet done. Okay. Good officer. My destination. Umbrella. Everyone need 2 payment. Let's take the left side.
Left side.
Okay, I think we can check this 2 bedroom out.
Sure.
Just back here. Let's check this 2 bedroom. So this is a 2-bedroom executive house.
Okay.
These are everything you see here is a standard. It comes with the property.
Okay.
The roofing, the ceiling, the floor. The floor we use this kind of floor, vinyl floor. So this is our standard floor design. And then this is also our standard kitchen cabinet. So you have a small store that can be used as pantry.
Oh, that's nice.
And then you have the living room.
So this is a living room?
Yeah, this is a living room.
Okay.
Put a dining table around.
Yeah, and then... Wow, it's nice. So this would be the main...
Yeah, this is the main door.
Okay.
This is the main door. So you have a compound that can pass through the house. We can do it for you if you request it. Then that will come with an additional cost. Of course, yeah. You have to look up the so this is the master.
That's nice. This is beautiful. Okay, it's another bathroom.
Right?
For the second bedroom. Okay.
And this one is the...
This is a 2-bedroom executive going for 61,000.
61,000?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So which ones are the expandable ones? This
In this spots, we don't have a expandable. But in the other spots, even here, we don't have a expandable, but with the Willow was a Willow 2-bedroom expandable.
There is no more, right? So that one is also that.
We have 1 or 2 of them available expandable.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we have 1 or 2. Yes, you get a 2-bedroom expandable, which is free.
Okay.
Are you good?
Yeah, it's not bad.
That's a similar one we have in possession.
Okay. What system are they using for the waste?
Okay, so with the waste, we have some waste companies that comes in and pick them up. So you just have to sign up and then they will come in and pick them up.
So what I mean is the septic system.
Okay, we use biofuel.
We use the biofuel.
Yeah, we use biofuel.
pin on one, you have to, what are the amount of pin and what are the star? You have to make down payment before the construction started?
Yes, of course. So it could be 20% down payment or 40. So with a payment plan, we have actually three. We have, if you want to use mortgage, so the mortgage part is there, and then we have the second.
That is from our side. Mortgage will not work on that.
Oh, so sometimes it works. If the person wants to really go with that, you can get mortgage easily. Other prices. This is also a 2-bedroom glass house. It comes with a visitor's toilet. And then you have a kitchen.
This is test toilet. It's the kitchen.
This is the kitchen. So the person requested for a space for a pantry, so we created it.
Okay.
But with the original design, the kitchen comes with a storage with a door. But the person actually opted for this one, that he wanted something like this. And then that's the menu as well. So the master is big enough. The second one is so again, we always have you don't want to see the but the person asks for an extra and food. So all the rooms are
Oh, okay.
each one has
That's why it's all missing.
a space for your wardrobe. So this one is going for 85,000. I'm going to take you to a few bedroom that is extra. So this is 68. Yeah.
68.
No, this is 85.
85.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I need a thing. Thank you.
Let's go to a 3-bedroom.
Oh, come on.
So we're going to go to the other end.
Yeah.
The 3-bedroom.
Okay. Good. Are they found all gone?
Yeah.
So it means it's coming up like it means the person has paid already.
Exactly.
There's no way to do that. Some are really moving from.
About 60 to 70% of the houses are all
Occupied. Wow. Yeah. Yeah, it makes sense, Charlie.
So it's either you allow us to manage the property for you, or we leave it like that.
Okay.
So that's the 2-bedroom and the first house is here.
Okay.
That's the similar one there. So ideally, these were supposed to be our standard design for the mid-floor. But you can make the properties without walls, but you have a green access of the front and also a parking space. with a common wall design.
Okay.
Yeah, so if you want to raise your wall, it's not going to be on us, it's going to be on the homeowner. So you talk to the neighbor on your right, the neighbor on your left, you agree on the price, and then you put them in the So this is a 3-bedroom executive house. It's going for $68,000. So you have your living area, your defined dining area, your kitchen cabinet. So you can see these one, the person requested for a plasterboard ceiling and also tile. So we did this too for the person. So that's the standard kitchen.
Main bedroom, master bedroom. So this one, 3-bedroom executive.
It's a bit smaller, and then the 2-bedroom shares 1 toilet and bath. So this is 68,000.
It's my bedroom. You good?
Yeah. Okay.
I think we can turn the car so that we take it. So with the pole size is from here. Pole size is from here, where this wall is, to the middle here. So apart from the driveway pavement there, the person still have the space to do green
Space, right, okay.
or any other form of garden.
Right, okay. Is there a side door?
Yes.
Right, okay.
That leads to the kitchen.
Right,
Yeah.
right. Okay.
And all your external doors are security doors. So this is a security door. The side door is also a security door. So with this one, the side door is at the back.
At the back, okay. Okay.
Okay, so let's go ahead.